Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very pretty and simple pattern for you. From backside it looks like this, and from front side it looks like this. You can use this pattern in any project, and if you want you can use this pattern in ribbing also, like this. You can use this pattern in ribbing and make any pattern in main project, like this. You can use this pattern in main project as well as in ribbing also. From back side our pattern will look like this. So let us start now. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 4 stitches and plus 2 stitches for border. This pattern is of 2 rows. For demonstration, I have taken 10 stitches, multiple of 4, 2 times and 2 stitches for border. So let us start now. Our pattern begins from front side, slip edge stitch and then purl 1 stitch and then knit second stitch. Now here first we have to knit fourth stitch like this. From front loop knit fourth stitch first and then without leaving stitch knit third stitch from front loop and then release both stitches from left needle. This is our first repeat pattern, 4 stitches. First edge stitch and then purl 1, knit 1 and then knit second stitch from front loop, or you can say knit fourth stitch of repeat pattern from front loop and then third stitch or second stitch from front loop, then release both stitches. You have to do same repeat pattern again and again till the end of the row. Purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our first row. Now we will start our second row. For second row, slip first stitch and then we will start our repeat pattern. Purl first stitch and then purl second stitch first from front loop without releasing stitch, purl first stitch from front loop. Now release both stitches from left needle. Now knit 1 stitch. Here we have completed our first repeat pattern. Now second repeat. For that, purl 1 stitch and then purl second stitch from front loop, without releasing stitch, purl first stitch from front loop. Now release both stitches from left needle and then knit one stitch. Here we have completed our second repeat pattern. Now purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our second row and also of our pattern. Now again repeat first and second row over and over until you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. So friends, if you like my video, then don't forget to like and share it. And if you are visiting my channel for first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Bye friends.